Hello guys, welcome back to the CQTech YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video, part number 2, ship construction video and lecture for the Naval Architecture. Without wastage of time, let's get started. Now, talk about the definition of forward perpendicular. First, this is the water line, and water line is intersecting the stem portion. This is the forward portion of ship, also known as stem portion. So if I draw a perpendicular line from this point like this, so this is known as forward perpendicular. Here is the definition of it: the perpendicular drawn from the point where the stem meets the water line. This is forward perpendicular. So again, here is the water line, and if I draw a perpendicular line from the center of a rudder shaft like this, so this is known as aft perpendicular. Again, this is water line, and I am talking about the length between the perpendiculars. This is forward perpendicular, this is aft perpendicular, and obviously the length between them is known as length between perpendiculars, indicated by LBP or LPP. Now talk about the overall length of ship. This is water line. This is the extreme forward perpendicular, and this is the extreme aft perpendicular line. So the length between these lines is known as overall length of ship. So go to its definition: when length of ship is taken from all its extremities, it is overall length of ship. Now, the center of length between perpendiculars is the midship region of ship. So these are the perpendiculars, aft and forward perpendiculars. We take the middle portion of it. So this is midship portion of ship, indicated by this symbol. So if you are standing at the center line of ship and facing forward, then your right side will be the starboard side and left side will be the port side. So always remember these conventions for ship. Now move forward to the bow thrusters. So these are the bow thrusters present at the bow side of ship. So bow thruster help to move the ship in the transverse direction, either toward port side or starboard side. So why we use these thrusters? Why there is need to use these thrusters? Because the ship equipped with the bow thrusters do not require tugboats to berth. Usually naval ships do not have bow thrusters. Cruise ships and cargo ships have this facility. Now talk about the molded breadth of ship. So this indicates the molded breadth of ship. This is the midship portion of a vessel, and if we draw a line transverse across all its extremities, so this is the molded breadth of ship. So beware that this molded breadth does not include the thickness of the plates. So I have drawn this line. So this is indicating the thickness of plates. So thickness is not part of the molded breadth on both of its side. So molded breadth is actually the maximum breadth measured at midship from inside. It does not include the thickness of plate. Well, you like this video, and please share and subscribe to my channel, and keep watching. Thanks a lot, and thanks for watching.